हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आपका डॉक्टर सौरभ से क्लासेस में। और आज हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ISI MTech CS का पेपर PCA का। और इस सीरीज में हम लोग आ गए हैं क्वेश्चन 11 में। तो चलिए हम लोग जल्दी से सॉल्व कर लेते हैं ये वाला क्वेश्चन। तो अभी हमको क्या दिया गया है, वी आर बीइंग गिवन द डेफिनेशन। सो f ऑफ n इज, पहले लिख लेते हैं कि हमको क्या दिया गया है। So n tends to infinity, f of n by g of n is 0. तो हमको क्या डिफाइन करना है, हमको डिफाइन करना है which of the definition or options is true under this definition. So let's evaluate each option. Yes, so now let's evaluate each of the options. Okay, so first option is, so here first n is equals to n1 by 2. So n by n half. So that's n half. So as n tends to infinity or not 0, n to the power half. Okay, so that means it's false. Next we are having n to the power minus half. N to the power minus half by n to the power minus 4. So that's n to the power minus half plus 4. That's n to the power minus 1 by 4. Okay, so it's 0 because it satisfies. So true. Third option, n to the power 4. So n to the power minus 1 by 4 is, so n to the power minus 1 by 4 by n to the power minus half, that's n to the power 1 by 4. So that means it's not, so then it's false. Third one, 1 by n to the power minus half, so that is n to the power 1 by 2. So that is not n to the power minus half. So that means it is also false. So then which is the true? Then my correct option is option B.